Hey, my name is Muhammad Bilal, and today I'm going to talk about how to be the center of attention in any conversation or any debate. Everyone wants to be the center of attention. Who doesn't want to feel important? Some people are just naturally charismatic and tend to be the center of any conversation or debate that they take part in. Being able to make other people interested in what you are saying makes a person feel worthy and satisfied with him. If you are one of those people who want to be in the center of a conversation but don't know how to, then here are few tips that can help you become the center of a conversation effortlessly, where everyone is going to pay close attention to anything that you say. Number 1 is listen actively. Everyone loves a person who pays attention to what they are saying. By listening actively to what others are saying, you will be able to engage in a conversation with them and attract them to pay attention to what you are saying too. If you don't listen to what others are saying, they will automatically think that you have no interest in the conversation or debate, which will lead to you being neglected in the conversation. Therefore, if you want to grasp everyone's attention, then it is crucial for you to listen to what others are saying too. Make others feel important and they will make you feel important too. Number second, be active and participate effectively. Not participating in a conversation or debate will lead you nowhere. If you want to be the center of something, then it is necessary for you to participate in it completely. Put your input in the conversation and listen to what others are saying. If you want other people to be interested in what you are saying, then it is essential for you to talk about related topics. Number third, aid in the conversation. If you say nothing, then how will you be the center of a conversation or debate? Suppose you are in meeting and want to be the center of it by impressing your boss. You can do so by pitching in great ideas and valid points. Adding into the meeting will increase your chance to impress your boss and colleagues instead of saying nothing at all. Number 4. Light up the conversation by adding humor. People are generally more attracted towards a happy and positive minded person. No one will be interested in having a chat with someone who always talks about negative things. If you notice that everyone is getting bored by what others are saying during a conversation, then throw in a joke to lighten up the conversation. Trust me, if you can make others laugh a little at least, you will be able to be the center of that party. Funny people are the life of any party or event. You don't have to go and conduct a comedy speech, but adding humor in a conversation will definitely help you in grabbing the attention of everyone. Number 5. Pay attention to the tone of your voice. There are certain conversations or debates where you cannot throw in jokes or keep the talk light-hearted. There are times when the topic of conversation is boring and business related, but it has to be done. In such times, how can you be the center of the conversation? You can do so by learning how to grab everyone's attention through the tone of your voice. Don't be monotonous when talking about anything. If you're telling a long story, then you need to know where you have to add a pause and on which word you need to put more pressure to make everyone interested in what you are saying. It has been observed that people who speak from the diaphragm are able to project their voice better. Number 6. Ask genius questions. Like I mentioned before, you can be the center of a conversation by being interested in what other people are saying. You can show the other person that you are listening to what they are saying actively by asking them genuine questions. A conversation is never one way, it needs to be two-way. You listen and then you give your input. Your input can be in the form of questions for others to acknowledge you also. Sometimes the question in a conversation can be so bold tricky, and interesting that it would help you in becoming the center of that conversation.